today, I say I got well, and I worry. So when them I about your son and Avatar and Asia, Ununa, if an amen buy or put over now, or to even in Ungozin and Dotie video golo. But I be fair it no eventually go to and Anama attack the whole Biafran government in exile. Vava you know with me in a Finland. It will be media personnel from Biafran government in exile. It would be a government media team. Isom Nana Finland. Oh, what a message in the water. And that go on over even the tag special. Kagumano Wegi use all this message where may program. Very important. Ma like Kaguma Vam Nyaka debunk this nonsense. Ngozala Bugola Flanit in here. Ngozala Bugola Flani, commander in chief of terrorists, bandit woman. A woman that goes Oznamais and Omoaja. You don't know Omoaja and now which I say with a group of terrorist gang group of them. When on Finland and a court, came when you tell USB. Which in the Finland, non a court that day, FBI witness. I don't know these people. Anything on a man on a prison. Man on a prison form one, Biafran USB. I don't know anything about USB. Woman group goes on a basis. Anything about this woman group. Which now everybody open for everybody. Why Ngozola Bukoro Flani? That's why I never Balangozi Apupo. I'm from our Papa Balangozi. Because I want to Balangoza, whether you don't go to, you make sure that Langozi waiting attack over to be anything USB name. If I can't go to number one, because in attack over to be anything that the USB charge card in name. Go see that over to be no with them. Over to be a dissociation, over a court, I'm one of this group. The only thing of different government in exile. And then of different government in exile, the intact now the diplomatic work. Now I function very well. Like this USB, they are Maria. They are on a prison since 7 months now. Anything this group when they call USB, they are Malaya, they put anything and they put anything to go in the alarm. When goes on a good of money, they have found rest, tag you up at again. Why? I want to know. Why goes on a good of money, it is fundraising on Sunday. Before goes on a good of money, they see a picture. Oh, no, no, watch ya. Fundraising goes on a good of money. Picture on it, yeah. Picture was on it, yeah. After coaching, this thing, goes on a good of planning. What was that picture? I still come at Toby for what? Get even goes on a good of planning, get even our plan, get even our practice. Somebody tell you that I don't know you, or when if you come again, am I your existence? I'm one of me, please don't put me inside this group that I know nothing about. Why? Who goes on a good of planning now? Or they fundraising? Or a picture? Now, Ngozi, how to say picture? See a picture of a Toby. I want to know why. Get even got it on email. Get the message because they leave. Get even the agent. All my question. And the question that talk, everybody protest about this nonsense. Let him go on a goal of the commander-in-chief of terrorists, bandit. Only mission, Ngozala Bugola Fulani on a Biafra land will Islamize the whole Biafra. Also, mission honor. mission this thing can go and they terrorize our land. They just our people because of agenda. Oji webia. Ngozi na bukoro fulani hide na zoo UFP. Mama de bossy when they terrorize our land. When they put us on as by which is terrorist group, call it Bubago, which is terrorist party in the almost 128 men. My question, why Ngozi attack the poor Batobia before them? Why Ngozi want to put a picture of Batobia? This picture of Batobia is why all my question. I don't know you. I don't know this organization called USB. The only thing I know is Biafran government in exile. I don't have funds. Okay, I'm not intact now. Everybody, diplomatic mission to recognize Biafra. Why goes on a Bukulo Fulani? Picture of Tobiana Etifu, a fundraising. Or what's the opposite picture? You want a Tifu picture, yeah? Since I don't know about Tobia Kurokua, or we don't tag whatever picture about Tobia next in a congress. Did everybody argue this woman? Oh, no, I was neither active than car. Give me. I don't know you. Fulani terrorist. Hey, Mr. Wadro, not after something. So, I didn't know. Yakan na bam bam bam. I won't if you this thing.